Can I wear this to a wedding?
A Disney wedding.
Are you giving me the ugly?
What's up, guys? My name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we're the Sorry Girls, and this is Ashley.
Hi.
Ashley's from the channel BestDressed, and she does amazing fashion stuff, and a lot of lifestyle now. A lot of graduation adult lifestyling things.
I've just like turned into that girl who used to make useful videos, and now I just vlog about myself all the time. So.
But we love them, they're so funny. You're such a spicy piece of trash.
Kind of just feel like a spicy piece of trash.
Today on our channel, we're going to be doing a little bit of a thrifting challenge. You guys liked our video where we picked out questionable things from the thrift store and turned them into something different. And today, we went ahead and picked out 3 questionable shirts that we need to style for a wedding. So interesting.
So each of these shirts are like a theme for a wedding. So you pick the shirt, you get the theme that goes along with it, and then we gotta head to the thrift store and make an outfit work.
Yeah.
Got it?
Do you want to be first up, Becky?
Yeah. Okay.
Grab bag of
Oh,
shirts.
baby.
Oh.
Oh boy. I got beach/destination wedding, which I feel like is very appropriate with this like beach themed fishnet.
Mhm.
Great. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Okay. No looking.
Okay.
Oh, that's the one I thought you would get.
Yes.
Like, this is an Ashley shirt. Yeah.
Okay, this one is a backyard garden themed shirt, and it's gingham.
Okay, so that leaves me with the formal outfit with this.
I don't know what this pattern is.
It's like tufted chic. So with our newfound pieces, we're gonna head to the thrift store and try to complete some looks.
Yeah. While we have your attention, on Ashley's channel, things are happening. We helped you make a clothing rack for your new apartment, so if you want to see how we DIY'd that, stay tuned to the end.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so I think my first step is to find some shoes because that might dictate my whole outfit.
I think I have to start in like dresses or skirts. I think of beachy, think of like flowy and breezy and like easy to wear 'cause it's probably hot, I think.
So my initial instinct was to go for like a white pants and shirt combo for that full like picnic 30-year-old mom look, but then I realized it's a wedding. And I've never gone to a wedding except when I was like 10 years old. So this is gonna be a whole new challenge for me because it's gotta be like fancy but also picnicky. We'll see.
I want to tell you guys what I'm trying to look for just so I can like put it out into the universe and maybe we can like manifest it. And I'm looking for like a skirt or a dress that I can like wear this shirt over top of, I guess.
Can I wear this to a wedding?
A Disney wedding.
Hell yeah.
Dude, I feel like a barbecue dad just ready to flip those burgers.
It's so grandma. Oh my god. This is gonna be so much harder than I thought.
Now the only challenge is finding accessories that will make this look less like a very old matronly woman. Oh, this is kind of cute.
Was it a successful haul? Bags full?
Yeah.
Bags on bags on bags. We're back. How'd you guys do?
I did okay. I did okay. How'd you do? You did freaking great.
Oh,
You don't know how it fits yet.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Okay, should we haul these things?
Let's halsey these things. Okay, so for my outfit, I have the really ugly pink top. Straight up, I'm gonna say it. I'm not calling it questionable, I'm calling it ugly. I'm sorry if any of you have it. So you guys saw me trying on like a bunch of skirts and stuff. I know since I have to do the fancy thing, I needed it to be like, I couldn't wear pants. But I ended up finding this long dress, which I'm just gonna treat it like it's a skirt, almost like a two-piece. I'm gonna shorten my top just a little bit so it has that right kind of like two-piece look. And I do wish that this skirt was a little bit shorter to hit more of like upper ankle, not like lower ankle. But I still think it's pretty cute. And this dress was $8.50. And I paired it with some fun shoes, some fun polka dot shoes. These shoes were $8. I had the choice to go with a plain black shoe. I had lots of shoe options, but I thought since my dress was just like a simple pink dress that I want to do something a little bit fun for the shoes, so that's where that logic came in. Honestly, when I first got this shirt, I was like, there's no way in hell that I will ever wear whatever I end up coming up with to a wedding, but I actually dig my final outfit and I think I would wear it to a formal wedding.
So the print on my gingham shirt was pretty loud and also a bold red and white, so I felt like I had to go for solids for the rest of my outfit. I know the one rule of a wedding is supposed to be that you're not supposed to wear white, but in my defense, it was really loud if I just did a bright red to match the red and white on the gingham along with the gingham print, so I felt like white was the best way to tone it down. I found this skirt, it's like a midi skirt that's kind of vintage inspired. It has these buttons. I am gonna alter it a little bit because it's not quite fitted around the waist, and especially because the top is so poofy, I feel like I have to have a defined waistline. For accessories, I really went all out for this red and white theme, so I got these little peep toe wedges from Marks and Spencer's. These were $8, and these are like a little bit cheesy, maybe. Ideally, I would have had like the perfect white wedge that was a little bit of a higher height than these, but these were pretty much the only wedges available. And since it's a garden wedding, you want to make sure you have a wedge and not like a tiny stiletto so you don't sink into the grass. And I also got this cute little purse. This is my favorite thing from the entire haul. It matches the red on the shoes and the gingham top, and I think it ties the whole outfit together and gives it that like vintage look. Okay.
Okay, so I had like kind of a hard time with this one, I will admit, because I found a lot of really cool pieces in the thrift store that I was like, oh, I would totally wear this to a wedding, so cute. And then as soon as I put that macrame thing on, it was like, Grandma, hello, and it was an issue. But I did pick up this one piece, like literally on my way to the change room, and I was like, maybe this will work. And it's great. It is actually this like pant jumpsuit off the shoulder. Well, actually there are no shoulders, tube top jumpsuit thing. And I think the reason it works is because it is like so simple. It's like a solid color and it doesn't interfere with like the macrame crochet effect of the top at all. It just lets it do its thing. And I think this is really great for a beach wedding because I'm assuming if you're on a destination beach, it's probably hot. You don't want to be wearing a lot of heavy things, and this is extremely flowy, plus the aspect that it's a tube top makes it great. And I'm thinking that although the crochet top is like really light, it might offer some sort of shoulder protection if it gets cold at night. It might do something for you. So this jumpsuit was $8.49, which isn't bad. And it is a little big on me, but I think I'm gonna make it work. For shoes, I picked up these nude espadrille little wedge shoes. They were $8. I was on the same train of thought as Ashley, as if you were on a beach, probably sandy, you don't want any stilettos because you're gonna sink in the sand and it's just gonna be nowhere to walk anywhere. So wedges are great because they're flat on the bottom, and like this whole espadrille effect is like so beachy and like makes me feel very nautical, which I think works great for this theme. And then because the jumpsuit was a little big, I thought that maybe adding a belt might help to cinch it in. And I picked up this belt, which was $3.99, and I think like the woven effect of it works kind of in a similar way to the espadrille, where it feels like very beachy and summery and light. And one thing I really wanted to do is, because the jumpsuit was so dark and navy, I think adding a lot of light accessories like the shoes and the belt is really gonna brighten it up and make it feel nice and summery. Overall, I love how this outfit turned out. I think that it actually worked really well with my original shirt that was a little bit questionable, but I think altogether this works great for a summer beachy wedding.
I hope you guys liked today's video. I had a lot of fun styling some outfits.
I think we did so well, you guys.
This is like a hard ugly challenge to do. Gold star. You did a good job. Gold star. You got a gold star. And if you guys aren't already subscribed to Ashley, I don't know what you're doing, but that's okay because we can always fix that. Head on over to Ashley's channel, Best Dressed, and give her a subscribe. And if you're here from Ashley's channel, feel free to bless us with your subscription. Bless us with your subscription.
Yes, over on my channel, we built a clothing rack, a double-decker clothing rack, because if you could see what we're standing in, it's just a pile of clothing. So they've been very nice to frame the shot upwards so we don't see that mess.
So go check that video out to see how we did that.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like.
If you love it, make sure you sub it.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. It is viewer appreciation time in our end slate, and I am loving this overhead chandelier inspired by our college try series where we did a little DIY chandelier. This is killer. Keep on sharing your DIYs using #SorryGirlsSquad and tagging us on Instagram, and we'd love to repost you.